Hi, my name is Randall Ressley. I'm the Vice President of Applications Engineering here at DigiKey. DigiKey makes its purpose to find the latest technologies, the latest suppliers, the latest devices, so you can make your products as modern as possible. And we're well known for the circuit board level components, the things you'd solder down to a board. But increasingly, we are stocking more and more variety of parts, such as in industrial automation. And I happen to have one of those devices here with me now. This has been a very popular device from Grayhill. This happens to be the System Developers Kit, the Software Developers Kit. And what this unit is sold in production form is this little top. This is, and it has an encoder on it, and it's also a touch screen and a display. So you power this up, you hook it up to a iPad or something, an Apple product, and from there you can program this for a variety of gestures. And then the output of this that you can't see because it's inside this developer's kit, you take this off and you put it on your system. It's got a CAN bus or a USB 2.0 bus. And what this allows you to do is to, it's an IP67 rated case too, so you can it's impervious to water spray down or dust. And what you can then do is to program these different modes of interrupting with your product. So it's a pretty slick little device. These things have been very popular. Now another thing that I have, and it comes with a power supply. Another device that I have is from a fairly new supplier of DigiKeys by the name of Neonode. Neonode is a company that is been in business for a long time selling OEM products. These are products used in automobiles for liftgate control and things like that. And what these are, I haven't opened this up, is a little band of infrared laser diodes, and they're arranged in a ribbon so that you can get 2D sensing in front of them. And so one of the little kits they sell allows you to convert any desktop computer into a touch screen. And so what it amounts to is inside here are little infrared LED lasers, and so they're putting up a matrix pattern. And so what you're able to do is it will detect the interrupt those beams and tell you where the objects are. Now this output is either I2C or USB HID device compatible. So you can take this and plug it right into your computer, and then these come in a variety of ranges. So this is a short one. You know, we've got them this long, and so that you can, the longer it is, the farther away you can get those gestures. So it's a pretty slick device. You want to add some I/O to your device, some HMI, human-machine interface, or some touchscreen capability, or not even in the air. These are some slick devices to add to your product. Thank you for watching.